from Xiamen Segund Auto Parts. Today I'm here to introduce our assembly line. As you can see, all of our workers assemble entire wiper blade individually to maintain the wiper blade quality. And our QC will check the finished product quality, and if there, she can find the name on the box and ask her to remake it. And that's to check the assembly details.
First, we will use the inner connect to jam the spring steel and put the rubber refill in the center of spring steel and button up the middle part. Then, that's oil goes through the spring steel. Count the powder into both sides of the spring steel. And finally, we install the rubber refill protector. And there is another procedure. We use this X-ray machine to print customer's logo on the white